Hey guys, this is Rahul, and first of all, sorry for the audio. It's too hot in here and I had to turn the fan on. This is gonna be my longest ride. It's Indian Motorcycles GQ Fundraiser ride, which is for girl child education. So I don't get chances to do rides like these, and especially when it's for a social cause, I just couldn't say no. So this ride is going to start from Gurgaon. So if any of you guys are looking forward to meeting me in Delhi or Gurgaon, you have to look in the video description. I'm gonna be saying somewhere in Gurgaon. I'll update all of the details. The ride flag off is on 26th of September, so that's really near. This is a last moment update. I'll just finish this up. It's 11 p.m. right now. I'll pack everything and tomorrow morning's my flight. We are going to visit lots of different cities. We're going to visit Gurgaon, obviously that's the first point. Then we're going to go to Jaipur, Jaisalmer. We're going to visit Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad and Hubli, and finally Bangalore. The ride's gonna continue, but I will end it at Bangalore, meeting up some old friends there, and I will come back to Kolkata by flight, and then the Indian Motorcycle crew will arrive there, and I'll have a subscriber meetup again in Kolkata at their charitable event. So if any of you guys want to donate or participate in any way, share this video, make people aware about this ride. Before we move into whatever we're taking for the film, I just want you to know that we'll be doing all of this coverage live on Instagram. So if you guys want to meet me in any of these cities, you have to follow me on Instagram, and in the Insta stories I will be updating where we'll be staying and what time of subscriber meetup. I'll also have you detailed out about all of the charitable events and the schools that we're gonna visit. You can come down there, you can meet us, all of the influencers who are going there. You can spend time with the children, you can donate a little bit, and that will really help the cause. So do follow me on my Instagram, and I'm gonna give you all of the updates. So first of all, this is my Sony A7 III, and this is my latest camera. It's been used in the last video, you've seen the quality, and this is having a Tamron 28-75 lens. So that's the camera. I hope you guys like. I'm just gonna try to get it close to you guys so that you can watch it. Yeah, this is the Sony A7 III. I've got a Peak Design strap, Peak Design. So that's a Summit Edition, kind of copper colored, matches with the Sony. So that's the strap that I'm running, and it's got a filter on it that I've currently, this is a 0.8 ND filter that's going to be used for video in bright sunlight. I'm going to use the low apertures. If that's confusing to you, just forget it. For the people who are interested in videography, that might be of some significance. So this is my drone, the tiny DJI Spark. Really travel friendly drone, not maybe the best image quality, but this is what I have right now. And thanks for Jidda for giving me this drone for this trip, and also special thanks to Anbi. He's also got a YouTube channel. I probably put a link in the video description. Now finally, if you like the lighting quality in this video, I cannot show you the main light that's behind the camera sliding up. It's the Aputure 672C. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link to the review of that beautiful lights for videographers. This is gonna light my film. So if whenever we're in hotel rooms, they look very nice, but they're not very well lit for videography. So that light's gonna be, it's on top of a light stand right now. So that's we're taking the light stand and the light, and that's gonna light us up for the entire video. This is my Aputure M9, and this is going to be a really small light, and I can carry it anywhere. It's very bright, trust me, it's very bright. It has got 9 stops of brightness adjustment, and it's a really nice light. It's the Amaran AL-M9 light. I've got a review of that as well. So it's really small, and it's not very expensive, around $45 or rupees 4,500 to 5,000. So that's gonna be like a small pocket light wherever, like, I don't have the time to put out the big light. I can just take this out. Since I'm gonna cover some lighting, this is the Aputure Light Dome Mini, and it came with a beautiful C120D. I wish we could take that light, but we cannot. So I've got a review of that, and you can check that out as well. So the C120D, this is the diffuser for the C120D. We can't take the C120D, but still we are taking the diffuser. The reason of that is my photography. This is a Godox flash TT. I believe this is the TT685S, S for Sony. It's available for Canon, Nikon and Fuji and every other brand like Olympus. This is the Sony version, and this is the trigger to that. This is the trigger to the flash so that I can use it externally. Now this flash can be mounted onto the Bowens mount Light Dome Mini, so that's what this is gonna go into, and it's going to be, if we take the Light Dome Mini, it's only going to be for photography. For the 672C, we do have a softbox. Aperture did provide me a softbox, so we are taking that softbox and we're gonna get some really cool and smooth lighting. The 672C is also color changeable, so if in a hotel room we have yellowish lighting, we can match that and look very natural, just like a bright hotel room, without people realizing that we're actually using a light to light us up. And the shadows right now are harsh because we're not using that softbox, but we'll be using that in the real video. So this is our mic. Currently it goes on top of the cameras, and the second camera that I'm taking is that camera, the Lumix FZ1000. So we're taking that, and this is my audio recorder, the Zoom H1. I'm just using it with this handle so that there's no audio noise or anything. But moving on, I have all of my riding gear. This is my travel tripod, by the way. I'm using a different tripod. I'm going to be taking my travel tripod, and this red thing, this is just the, this is a 4 TB hard drive for copying all the footage. Now my friend is going to bring a Zhiyun crane gimbal, the crane version 1. That's an old gimbal, but he has that, so he's going to bring that for stabilizing the Sony A7 III. And then we're gonna bring a couple of more gimbals, which I forgot to show you. This is for the Gopro 6. This is a Feiutech G6. All my gimbal shots currently are being done using this gimbal. And this is the Rider M from Zhiyun Tech. It's a really small gimbal. I can mount it on my chest mount and everything. So we've got the chest mount for GoPro. Haven't used it for a year. Then we've got the GoPro small tripod. This is very useful for some low angle. You just keep it there, you get some great low angle shots. So this is the GoPro Hero 6 casing mounted on top of that. It's a really small and cheap thing, but it gives some amazing results, very portable. And we have the Jaws Flex mount. This is very useful if you want to mount your camera to some handlebar or some sort of leg protection or anything. The Zhiyun Rider M comes with its own remote. I forgot that. And there's a lot of stuff like this suction cup mount for the GoPro. I've got a ton more GoPro mounts actually, but I can't find them and they're not really that important, so might not bring them, but these are going with me. On the riding gear side, I really don't have nothing new to show you. Dainese leg protectors, these just came in today. My mom had to travel all across the city because the courier guys weren't gonna deliver this, so she went to the head office and collected it. Big thanks to my mom, otherwise wouldn't have any leg protection before the ride. I don't have riding pants, so I have to take some sort of rain trousers or something like that. My gloves, you've already seen them several times. This is the Dainese's Druid D1. If you want a review, just search on my channel, there's gonna be a review of that. My helmet and everything is over there. I'll just reach for it. So this is the helmet. It's got a SoPro GoPro mount in front of it. Check out my review for that. It's the easiest way to mount your helmet. Inside we have a Rode SmartLav Plus microphone with 2 adapters and everything. The GoPro 4, this is my GoPro 4. I missed that. That goes into the helmet. Still using this, very trustworthy camera, never fails, never corrupts the footage. So you still using that GoPro 4, and got a full mic setup with the Rode SmartLav Plus audio. Again, big thanks to Anbi because he gave me the pop filter of the SmartLav Plus. Jacket, so this is my jacket. This is the Super Rider D-Dry. I know it's not the best angle, but hey, this is a great jacket. So you've seen this on several videos, and it's probably, if you know my channel, you already know what this is. It's got a rain liner, so that's not going to be a problem if it rains. My upper body is going to be protected. The lower body, I'm going to need rainproof trousers. And these are my boots. I've been using them since 2015. These are race boots, but I've taken them to Ladakh, I've taken them to track, I've done normal dhaba rides in them, I've done some 500-600 kilometers per day normal touring in them. These are race boots, but these are very comfortable race boots, so I've been using them a lot. I'm sorry about the framing in this video. I just don't have the time today. I have to finish the packing. See you guys soon in Delhi and all of the other cities. I'm gonna update in every city. I don't know which hotel we're gonna stay. So as soon as we get those details, we're gonna put it to Instagram, and I really want to meet you guys in all the different cities. Thanks for watching. This video was really bad in production quality. If you've stayed till the end, I'm really happy that you did. I will step it up in the next videos. Right now I have to go and pack, so goodbye guys. Thanks for watching it once again. Bye.